So hello guys, this is day 15 of making 1 lakh profit from Indian e-commerce business. तो आज फाइनली डे 15 है और अब बैकएंड का यूज़ नहीं करूँगा. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ों पर आज हम लोगों ने काम किया एंड one of the most important thing that we have worked on is that on our product page. So far I have launched another product and the progress is going like this because today I have got one sale and just one sale, and the cost per purchase of that particular sale is higher than the profit margin which I will get. So I think I will lose the money. So running Facebook ads, I have learned that one thing that if you're running Facebook ads, if you're doing any kind of media buying, then your goal shouldn't be to get profitable from day 1 or day 16 or day 70 or day 365, because what media buying does is that it gives you the leverage that you can get as many people as you can with a very cheap cost, with a very low cost. And that you have to understand, you have to learn the metrics, you have to learn the numbers, you have to understand how the Meta's number works. So it is actually not hard, but it's actually hard to crack, because there's a huge competition. There are capitalists, there are people who are experts in this field from years of experience they have, and so they will they will outperform you if you are not doing well. So in order to excel in this industry, you have to understand the numbers. I mean, I have seen when I started this dropshipping in 2023, so I was getting good results which were inconsistent, and the results were getting had a very bad profit margin, and I was playing with just I am getting orders and then just ship it and get the money. So, and top of the funnel, bottom of the funnel, I was not realizing that okay, I'm losing money and I'm not getting any profit in my pocket. So this is essential, that you have to understand that you're putting X amount of money, then you should be getting 2x. So that's why you're spending, right? That's why this ROAS thing exists in this media buying world. When you put X, you'll get double X. So it's just that's how trading works. You put some values there and you get the money back, or some transaction happens. So yeah, that was it. And so we have built, our store is running and I'm not getting good results, which is okay, which is fine, because it'll take time, because my pixel is kind of new for now. It is old though, but I have stopped running Facebook ads from very long, and I just started and just pulling money, and so it has some new audiences pool. And so yeah, we'll understand about the product, the market, and the people, the audience, and everything. So far I won't I'm not expecting to get RTO, because I have 2 orders and I've shipped from Nimbus Post and by air, because I want this delivery to as soon as possible, so they'll get their orders soon, so there won't be any RTO, and I don't want to miss any orders, so that's why. And one of the most important thing in dropshipping is that, not just in dropshipping but any kind of business, is that if you're not focusing on what's important, then you're losing the track. Let's just say I have an exam of maths, and I'm focusing on English, science and Hindi, or maths. I have maths is we have the exam of maths. So if you're not focusing on maths, you're focusing on another क्या बोलते हैं you're focusing on other subjects, how can you expect that you'll get good marks in maths? That's how things work in the business. If you're focusing on something else, how can you expect that you'll get results? Focus in the sense that you have to put in the effort in that. Your goal is to get profit, right? How you'll get profit? Like if you're putting 100 rupees on ads, you should get 5 rupees का CPP. Like अगर आप 5,000 रुपये एड्स में खर्च कर रहे हो, लाइक यू शुड गेट 200 या फिर 100 का CPP अगर आपको बताऊँ मैं सिंपल भाषा में, तो CPP जस्ट लाइक कॉस्ट ऑफ एक्विजिशन. आपकी वेबसाइट पे ट्रैफिक आता है और वो ट्रैफिक कन्वर्ट होता है. वो ट्रैफिक आप मतलब कुछ लोग आपके ट्रैफिक मतलब वेबसाइट पे जाते हैं और वो आपकी वेबसाइट पे सामान ख़रीदते हैं. तो वेबसाइट पर जाने तक सामान ख़रीदने की कॉस्ट तो फेसबुक हमसे वो चार्ज करता है कि आप मेरे प्लेटफॉर्म्स के ज़रिए पर आप मेरी वेबसाइट पे आए और आपने कुछ ख़रीदा, देन आई विल चार्ज दिस अमाउंट ऑफ मनी. तो दिस इज़ लाइक CPP एंड lot of things that just like we should understand about this. ठीक है, तो आज कुछ नहीं, बेसिक सा हमने किया. और आई हैव एनरोल्ड इन वन ऑफ द कोर्स एज विच इज़ फ्रॉम आफ्ताब मलिक, विच इज़, मैं कुछ बुराई नहीं करूँगा, कुछ भी नहीं बोलूँगा, क्योंकि सबका अलग अलग एक्सपीरियंस है यार. हर कोई एक्सेल कर रहा है. मतलब मैंने देखा है ना कि कितना भी बेसिक चीज़ हो वो भी काम करती है. तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है मेरे माइंड में कि यार मैं बहुत सारा एडवांस लेके चल रहा हूँ, कोई और के माइंड में भाई मैं तो बहुत स्मॉल लेके चल रहा हूँ, मेरा बहुत बेसिक है. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. इट्स जस्ट लाइक यू आर डूइंग व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. तो अगर आपको रिजल्ट्स आते हैं दैट्स वेल एंड गुड. क्या चाहिए भाई, मैं अगर इतना एडवांस चीज़ें करके रिजल्ट्स नहीं ला पा रहा हूँ तो हाउ कैन यू एक्सपेक्ट दैट यू कैन गेट रिजल्ट्स. तो अगर आप बेसिक चीज़ों से रिजल्ट्स ला पा रहे हैं तो वो बेसिक चीज़ें ही करो, क्योंकि इट्स ऑल अबाउट बेसिक्स, राइट. ठीक है, तो अब देखते हैं. लाइक कोर्स में एनरोल तो किया है और कोर्स भी कंप्लीट कर लिया है, विच वॉज़ वेरी बेसिक. यानी मतलब मेरे को बहुत सारी चीज़ों की अंडरस्टैंडिंग थी एंड ठीक है, मतलब कुछ नई चीज़ें भी सीखने को मिली हैं. और भाई का एक्सपीरियंस भी थोड़ा है मुझसे, तो है बहुत ज़्यादा है, क्योंकि ही वॉज कंसिस्टेंट फ्रॉम लास्ट 1.5 years एंड आई थिंक something that has in him is that something that it sets apart is that his consistency and his experience in media buying or in some other stuff which he can provide us as a course teacher I would say. Okay, ठीक है, तो ये हो गया बेसिक सारा स्टफ़ हो गया, वेबसाइट, प्रोडक्ट्स, एड्स. एंड अब फिर से हम एड्स अभी मैं प्रोडक्ट रिसर्च कर रहा हूँ, नए प्रोडक्ट्स लाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. एंड अब मेरा टारगेट क्या है कि अब मैं ना जो भी प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग है, जो चल रहा है, तो मैं अब उसी को ट्राई करूँगा, क्योंकि आई जस्ट नीड दैट कॉन्फिडेंस. ओके, आई कैन हैव ऑर्डर्स, मैं खुद ऑर्डर्स ला सकता हूँ अपनी वेबसाइट पे. यार कि इतनी मेहनत करने के बाद अगर आप 100 ऑर्डर्स नहीं ला पा रहे हो तो यार लालच है तुम पे, फिर क्यों ही कर रहे हो चीज़. ठीक है, तो बट या पेशेंस इज़ द थिंग दैट आई नीड मोर, बिकॉज पेशेंस से ही सब कुछ हो जाएगा अभी तो, क्योंकि चीज़ें बिगड़ जाती हैं व्हेन यू डोंट हैव पेशेंस. अभी लाइक आई वाज जस्ट टॉकिंग टू गाय एंड आई वाज लाइक impatient. I purchased this course and I didn't get anything valuable information or anything like that, but I thought like I just wasted my money, so I just reacted on his course that it's just worthless. And there are a lot of information basically out there for free. You don't have to just pay for that free content, so but yeah, it's okay. Like everybody is just feeling their own feet, so yeah, that's fine. I don't have any grudges from anyone. If I am in their shoes, I would be doing the same stuff which they are doing. So yeah, that's completely fine. That's totally okay, because it's the time like where everybody wants to find a way to make money. So yeah, he has find his way to make money, and So we are doing the same thing but with the different kind of mindset. And सबके अलग अलग mindset होते हैं, सबके अलग अलग style, strategies और point of views और होने ही चाहिए, right? That makes the person different. Like if somebody is like doing the same stuff again and again and repeating something that which people are doing already, तो वो कैसे अपने आप को अलग कर पाएगा, कैसे differentiate कर पाएगा? So in order to distinguish himself or herself from others, they have to have some unique quality and that he has I guess. So ये सारी चीज़ें हैं. एंड मैं आपको एक बहुत ही गहरी बात बताता हूँ, ठीक है, कि ये जो चीज़ है ना जो हम लोग कर रहे हैं या फिर जो आप लोग भी करना चाहते हो, आप लोग मतलब अगर करोगे, अगर आप बिगिनर हो तो ठीक है, अगर आप एडवांस्ड हो तो फिर कोई बात दिक्कत नहीं, ठीक है. तो अगर आप बिगिनर हो, अगर आप इस चीज़ को करोगे तो मैं आपको एक चीज़ बताता हूँ. सो मैं एक लाइन को ड्रॉ करता हूँ, ठीक है, हाथ पे. Can you see that? I guess you can. So this is the line of process, and let's say I'm here and most of you guys are here who haven't started yet, and some of you guys have already started and doing well, so they are here. Okay, and this ends here. यानी कि ये यहाँ पर ख़त्म होता है, ठीक है. अब ये यहाँ पर क्या ख़त्म हो रहा है पता है? यहाँ पर आप मर जाओगे. you'll be dead. So I'm here, you are here, this guy is here, and we all are in the same row. We all are going towards death, right? तो नो मैटर आप कितना भी कुछ कर लो, तो आप यहीं जा रहे हो, तो वाई नॉट गो विद द फ्लो? वाई नॉट गो विद द फ्लो इन द सेंस, ऐसा नहीं कि आप मतलब बस चले जाओ. फ्लो इन द सेंस कि यार बस करो ना यार, क्या टेंशन है. लाइक यू डोंट हैव टू टेक इट सीरियसली. I mean, take it seriously, but not that seriously that you are just like, okay, अब तो इसके सिवाय कुछ है ही नहीं. So that's my approach, and I don't know how you will see it, but it is what it is. So yeah, that was it. So hope you liked this video, and if you did, okay, I think you did. Okay, so yeah, like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Not this channel, because now I don't think it's valuable content for you all. If yes, if it is valuable, then do subscribe, and do share this channel to people who needs more this content like this, and who needs a motivation, needs something. Okay, so yeah, that was it, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and yeah, that was the day so far, and I'll see you in the next one. So till then, stay happy, work hard, do hustle, and yeah, peace.